my finger. Oh yeah.
Get him in, okay? So we have these straps right here on our life jackets. Get your arms out for me, pretend you're hanging on. Who's ready to go skydiving?
And then we'll all be in unison, and it's gonna be like a Viking ship. We'll all do it at the
Alright.
same time. Bounce right out of the boat.
What are you doing?
Bro, go.
We're like paddling in the video and there's like the water's just like
This next one is called the Wall of Death and Dismemberment.
He's telling me paddle, paddle, see? We're gonna crash. I'm in.
yeah, those oh my god. That was so fun.
Instagram? You want it?
I don't want to
You want it vertical?
We are currently on the Lily Pad Trail in Silverthorne, Colorado, and it is about a 3.3 mile hike. The beginning was a lot. I heard from all the people passing by that that's the worst part because it's straight uphill and it's pretty tough, especially with the altitude. It is classified as an easy trail, but the trail is pretty rough and rocky the whole way so far. We ran into people on this trail that we also ran into at Shrine Pass, which is so ironic. The actual trail itself has definitely had some rocky areas, but also has some pretty smooth areas as well. So I don't know how to classify a trail as easy or hard or moderate or whatever, but it's been a beautiful trail so far. Look what I'm coming up to. We made it!